Hello all, just Paul again. Alright, this is the final of this SBE Sidebander V. Very proud of where we are at. There's not much on at the moment. I've just turned it on, it's warming up. Have you seen a parts bag like that? Yeah, there's there's a lot of parts in there. Anyway, that goes back to Andrew. Just want to show you where we're at and some porn, and have a look at the power out of this. There you go. That was a full 24 watts average out of this SBE Sidebander V. It's come up really well, nice and responsive, great AGC, RX is good, nice radio for the shelf. There you go, old school where it at, and we save and recover these old beauties as much as we can before they're trashed. Alright, thank you guys, enjoy, comment, like and subscribe.